Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Tianquan is a special Hakka folk festival which takes place on the 20th day of the first month of the lunar calendar. Since 2010, it has been designated a National Hakka Day. The festival celebrates a story of how the goddess Nuwa repaired the sky, preventing disaster on the earth below. This has given rise to certain taboos on Tianquan. Plowing is forbidden for fear the ground will leak, and no needlework is performed for fear of piercing the sky. Tianquan is a time of rest and celebration, and enjoying the traditional Hakka rice dessert known as sweet ban.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。Leo 是新年快樂哦。
新年快樂。
Last month was Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year holiday。其實這個農曆春節是上個月的事了，對不對？
錯啊。
然後呢，在這個過完農曆年，有一個所謂的元宵節是正月15嘛。Okay, there's also something called the Lantern Festival that happens on the 15th day of the lunar calendar. Now, on the 20th day, 我記得客家人會過一個天穿日，好像也才剛過不久嘛，哈。
錯啊，佢會哦，全國客家日，全國客家日。
它又命名為全國客家日。
對。
Wow, okay, this is a very important tradition and holiday for the Hakka. In fact, it's also known as the National Hakka Day, but it's called 天穿日. Okay, and it takes place on the 20th day of the lunar calendar, the new calendar of January. 跟我們講天穿日怎麼講？
天穿日。
天穿日，其實它意思就是天上穿了一個洞嘛，對不對？
就是以前有兩個神明，熊大啦，那就把天給弄破了。後來是女娲娘娘、五伯娘娘去把那個天給補起來。所以我們為了要紀念它，所以就特別定了這一天叫做天穿日。
Oh, very interesting story about mending, a hole in the sky. That's exactly, literally the name of the holiday. 然後你剛剛說有兩個神明，一個叫什麼？熊大？
不是，熊大就是打架的意思。
Oh, it actually means a fight. Okay, I thought Leo was trying to explain who is responsible for the hole in the sky. Actually, 熊大, that means a fight.
對。
Let's review these terms, all right? 天穿日, the name of the holiday.
天穿日，
天穿日 also known as National Hakka Day, 也就是全國客家日。
全國客家日，
全國客家日 And then 女娲娘娘 is the goddess that mend and, kind of filled up the hole.
五伯娘娘
And then a fight. 剛剛說這個打架了，對不對？
對，熊大。
There you go. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.